Alright, motherfuckers. So I took took three trades today, two break evens, one dub. And I think my last one is the one I would have made the most on anyway, so pretty fire. Inverse fair value gap. Boom, enter down. Was that my fill? Let me check my short at 65.75. Damn. So that was my fill. Stop was here, I believe. Let me see my fucking past orders. Buy stop was at 65. Wait. Oh, wait. That was edited. That's why. What was it originally? Fuck. Whatever. That's probably where I think that's where my stop was. Yeah, that would be right because, yep, that's exactly where it was. So, there's a lot of shit going on this fucking screen. It's actually vile. So basically coming into the morning at 9:30, I was leaning more bearish. Fuck, dude. Can I just do this? Yeah, 15 minute. We'll go on the 15-minute chart, I guess. Maybe 30. Yeah, 30-minute. That's even better. So, basically, we have just been bullish overnight. You know, Asia kind of chopped a little bit. Like basically chopped the whole session. London, you know, was bullish. So I wanted to see either us open low, come out and take out one of these draws in liquidity to then go to previous day high. But what I really wanted to see was us come up, take out previous day high, then find shorts to like any of these levels. I personally wouldn't have shot for Asia unless it was some sort of continuation down here. But just because of like my contract sizing, I wouldn't have even just like I would probably would have been more like a 1-to-1, which I took today basically. So yeah, I don't know. We're bearish. So I was leaning bearish, right? You know, we don't have any 4-hour gaps made yet. We don't have an hourly, like right here. We don't have any hourlies other than below London lows. So what I was looking at was this hourly on ES, kind of, but I don't know. I was like paying attention to some shit that we'd take or whatever. I don't know. Is this live? Why the fuck is this not in replay either? Whatever. Damn, they took that high too. Alright, well, this was also a break. Whatever, they finally came up. We could probably see a sell-off by now. Whatever. So I was just overall just bearish. So I'll just go to open. Dude, why the fuck is the replay? That's probably like retarded. Alright, so here's 9:30. There was a long setup that did present itself pretty fucking early. I just didn't personally like it because I was bearish at the time. So I wanted to have that play out for my shorts. So basically, it comes down, takes out the sell side liquidity on ES. We throw in that SMT. So where would that be? Yeah, right about here. So we have that SMT right there. And we create this 1-minute fair value gap. So boom, you'd go long here. And then just let that was like a great long, just great distribution, just quick as fuck. And it was a great risk reward. It was literally just 2R to your TP1 and or like to your just TP. And yeah, no, that was just a perfect fucking setup. If I had a bullish bias, and we didn't have these like data lows equal lows or whatever. I know there's an SMT. I don't know. It was kind of just freaking me out. If we kind of manipulated more on NQ, I don't know. We didn't need to, but like NQ just more like chop looking. So I kind of just wanted us to break out. But if it looked good, like a little bit more obvious to me with like bias, then I would have taken that long. I don't know. That might sound retarded, but yeah. So boom, we take out previous day high, so we throw in that SMT there, right? And then I'm looking for the highest time frame inversion of this leg that swept liquidity. And basically that's gonna be this 2 minute. So boom, 2 minute inversion. Stop loss at the candle body just because it's a pretty large stop already. And we have, well, here. Oh damn, it just inverses instantly. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, that's why I just put it there just because it's already fucking massive. I did want to target data lows, but like as my just 1-to-1 TP, but it was very negative to me. Like it's not like here it's like bare fucking minimum, but I didn't fuck with that. So I was like, honestly, just in general, we should sell off. Obviously, it'd be more probable just to take profits here, but if I want that risk to reward, that consistency, then I'm gonna have to fucking do that. So just over a 1-to-1 right here, and we then come down, hit the break even point, and then come back up and fuck my break even. So boom, broke even on this trade. Unfortunate, but I'd say that's an A+ setup. So yeah, with bias and everything, that was great. Data lows equal lows for like not a 4 hour, I guess, but it wasn't a 10 a.m. yet. But yeah. So once this happens, I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna wait for 10 a.m. It can either come up, take this high, and we get our re-entry for shorts, or we can come down to this 4 hour and take out, you know, some fucking shit down here, throw an SMT, whatever you need, and then look for longs to this previous high. So and then here's 10 a.m. open. We kind of just chop, but we do end up opening low right here into this 4 hour on ES. So already there, like shorts to me are a little bit like more ghetto looking. So I'm like, ugh, I don't know if I want to even take anything if it's gonna be a short. So basically, yeah, there's still nothing. If we come out, take these lows, obviously, you know, because we're just accumulating. We're just generating low resistant liquidity to the upside or downside. And we end up just doing this very, very perfect fucking move. I wish we would have... Here, I'll show you. Very perfect move. I wish we inversed on the first candle, but it's okay. So basically, I wanted to go in on this motherfucker with 2 micros, because if I got like just my ideal entry like around here or some shit, put my stop here, that would still be able to be like good risk management for my account, and I'd be able to take profit here and take profit here. So I wanted to see us, you know, retrace a little bit so I could get like a nice risk to reward. But I waited for a second and then it just didn't do that, so I just fucking entered with 1 micro. You know, we end up coming up, taking the break even point right now. Boom, we get broke even, or like stop the break even, so we're risk free. And yeah, so I'm expecting us to come to these highs, and I'll close if we get some sort of fucking SMT. But Boom. Oh wait, here we go. Boom. Broke even. Even if I got that perfect fucking entry, break even. But what do we have here? We do have a 5-minute fair value gap right here. You can barely see. Boom. 5-minute fair value gap. What do I want out of this? I want continuations. So if we inverse this 5-minute, then I'm just off for the day. If we hold it and we get an inversion to the upside, I'm fucking longing that shit. What do we do? I think it's up to like this candle. I think it was up to this candle. Let's see. No, it's this next candle. Waiting on this candle. Are we gonna inverse to the downside or to the upside? Boom. We don't fucking inverse the 5-minute. As you can see, we hold it. And so then I look for this 1-minute inversion. Boom. So we inverse here. Somehow my fill's up here, but whatever. So yeah, I get filled up here, take profit at this buy side that we left earlier. And my stop loss, because literally at this point, since it's like a continuation and like we've already made this low and we're gonna like we shouldn't even go anywhere near here, so obviously this is a lot tighter of a stop. I should have probably, or it doesn't matter, I guess, because I didn't get stopped out. But I was expecting this to be like the last down move before we take these highs. So that's why it was just a little bit more tight just for my risk to reward ratio. So it was like not pretty ghetto. So that's why my stop loss wasn't like 4 more points down for my risk to reward. So basically, boom, enter long. We have my break even point right here and my take profit, and we just fucking, yeah, it just looks good. Boom, boom, break even, and boom, dub. So nice. And that's how I made $134 today. So let's see. I don't even know if you can see that shit. 139 or 133.9. And then I'll show you all my executions. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So there's all my executions. Can't even fucking see it. Wait, oh, I forgot I can do this. Oh shit. Yeah, so there's all the executions and shit. And then here's the, bro, it's like inverted. Why the fuck's it look that way? Whatever, dude. I don't even care at this point. So yeah, I don't know. Last setup, everything was fucking great. But yeah, no, 10 a.m. open, low, high, close. And I explained why my stop loss was like that. So yeah, not a bad day. Very just choppy ass day, but was able to maneuver it very well. So I'm proud of myself for that. I think I did everything perfect. So let's fucking go. Yes, I did take more trades than I usually do in a day, but this was just like, this has like, not this has to work, but like, I mean, this is just too obvious of a setup to not take. Like, I wouldn't even have been mad if I lost that one. No, I'd be like, bro, what's up with this fucking market? But I wouldn't be mad at myself for executing on this, because it's just like such an obvious continuation out of this PDI. So yeah, it's really all I have for you today. I feel like that was like a decent amount of sauce. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, pretty good fucking day. So see ya.